welcome you to our Unit 6 test. I am Teacher Bing, and what's your name?
I'm the student. Name is Tomcat.
Oh, okay. Hello, Tomcat. So, are you ready for the test?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go. Part 1. Let's start with vocabulary. Okay, so I would like you to look at the words here and read them out loud.
Cowboy. Dance. Kindergarten. Look after. Princess. Study. Trumpet. Drum.
Good. Next one.
Crab. Friendly. Heavy. Octopus. Starfish. Whale. The best. Tiny.
Okay. Next one, let's move on part 2. Here, you look at the adjective here. Okay, and now you put those adjectives to the correct circle. Number 1, you can see it. For example, it's tall. And here, you cannot see it. You got it? Okay,
Yes.
so now let's go.
I can see the tall, the small, the short, the thin.
Good. Next one.
I can't see the friendly, the clever, the kind, and the funny.
Okay, finish. Now we move on. Next exercise, we have comparing. Okay, using the word here to compare
The
two
mouse
animals.
is smaller than the elephant.
Okay, next one. Heavy.
The crab is heavier than the whale.
The crab heavier? Are you sure?
Yes, I see the crab is so heavy.
Sure heavy?
Yes.
But you know the whale is so big. Okay.
Or the whale is heavier than the crab.
Yes, the whale is heavier than a crab. Okay, next one. Long.
The eel is longer than the starfish.
Thank you. Now let's move on with the reading parts. I would like you to read those pieces of information.
What? The penguin. A penguin is a bird and it lives in the Arctic Ocean. It's got very short legs and a fat body. It lives on the land, but it swims in the sea and catches fish. Fun fact, a penguin can walk and swim, but it can't fly. Octopus. An octopus lives in the ocean, but it isn't a fish. It's got a round body and 8 long arms, but it hasn't got any legs. It's a fast swimmer. And it can hide in a tiny plague. Fun fact, an octopus has got any teeth, but it can eat snail.
Okay, thank you. So that is the end of the test today. Thank you, goodbye, and see you later.
Goodbye.